Hi everyone. Tonight I'm going to cook Japanese curry with beef, so I want to explain how to cook meat in healthier way because I think many American people consume red meat. Maybe some people consume red meat too much, but eating too much red meat or too much fatty meat cause varicose vein in your lower body or obesity and also cancer because in the animal study I heard it shows if you consume too much red meat, like more than 5% of your all intake calorie is like it will increase the risk of cancer. So it's better to consume red meat moderately. And my husband, yeah, eat chickens. He prefers to eat chickens than red meat usually. And I think it's an ideal to consume fish or chicken or tofu as a daily protein base. But if you wanna cook beef or pork, it's always better to remove the broth inside like this. All you need is just soak meat for about 2 hours. And you can remove excess fat and preservative and impurities from meat by this way. It's very simple way. I also use 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar because any kinds of meat become more tender and easy to digest. So I also add a little bit vinegar in this water. You can also use white wine or red wine too. But I recommend vinegar because vinegar is cheaper and also vinegar has antibacterial effect, so you can also sanitize your meat. When you cook chicken or meat in your kitchen, meat has really dangerous virus, so you need to clean your sink and you need to clean your kitchen very well with high percentage of alcohol. But many people, I saw on YouTube, many people just grab chicken meat with their bare hand and touch everywhere. And it's very dangerous. Yeah, it will cause food poisoning too. So be careful. Yeah, like this way. And in this book, this is like Cooking Evolution for Weight Loss by Sonoko Suzuki. And she recommended people to soak meat, always soak meat before cooking to remove excess broth and fat and preservatives and hormone too. Because even when you buy the premium meat or organic meat, it still contains lots of animal fat, and animal fat isn't beneficial for your health. So you can intake healthy fat from avocado or olive oil or also sesame. So you don't need to intake the fat from meat, so you can remove before cooking. Yeah, also fish too. Because modern fish contains microplastic, so fish also need to soak in the water before cooking. Actually, I lost my weight more than 12 kilos by her method. Just eating healthy meal with rice daily is her method. But I think Suzuki Sonoko isn't famous in the US, and this book is very old cooking book, but still very useful for me for my daily cooking. And you can also use many spices too to improve your digestion. Garam masala and black pepper or turmeric and rosemary or also bay leaf promote your healthy digestion. Also daikon radish too, so you can cook curry with daikon radish. And tonight I don't put curry block yet, but I scooped all scam on the surface because when you stew meat and vegetable together, the all oil shows up on the surface of water. So you need to scam all oil from the surface of water, and then you can add curry block. And if you wanna remove the even little bit of oil of this curry block, you can also scoop the surface of oil later, after you add this curry block. And tonight I didn't fry vegetable. I just stew everything from water. So I didn't fry onions and garlic tonight. So by this way you can cook curry without without oil. So I sometimes fry garlic and onions beforehand with olive oil or grass-fed butter. But tonight I just cut the process. I just stewed everything in the water. And it's also okay. It's also tasty, and this is very huge bay leaf. I also add small amount of azuki beans too. Azuki beans. And this is beef I chopped into very small pieces. And when you cut the part of fat, like meat, become more tender and easy to digest for kids. So it's recommendable to chop into small pieces if you have small kids in your family. And I'm also going to add dashi powder with curry block to enhance umami, and also dashi powder contains kelp, the kombu, so it also help you to digest food well without residue in your body. So when you cook red meat, I always recommend you to cook many onions and garlic together too, to prevent blood clot. So this is my method. So thank you for watching, and I hope these tips will help you help your weight loss or your healthy lifestyle a little bit. Bye bye.